Good morning everyone. This is Science Standard 6 Chapter 9 Movement and Locomotion. In this slides we are going to read about the cells. First, the cell is a fundamental unit of life. We have discussed in the previous videos also and it is called the structure and functional unit or building block of living organisms. Robert Hooke discovered the cell in the year 1665. Okay, here it's a Robert Hooke who discovered the cell. All the living organisms are made up of cell. It is the structure and functional unit of life because whole body is made up of cell. It is known as the fundamental unit of life because it regulates all the functions inside an organisms. The cell is a Latin word for a little room. Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered cells. We have seen there earlier. Here all about the cells has been given. Now the body of all living organisms is composed of either a single cell or a thousands or a millions of cells. Based on these features, the organisms are classified as a unicellular and multicellular organisms. Now, unicellular organisms, in this group what we find a single cell, like most are microscopic. Some unicellular organisms are prokaryotes like bacteria, not true nucleus. Majority of unicellular organisms are eukaryote that has a true nucleus, that is amoeba, paramecium, euglena perform the same task as multicellular organisms. They move, eat, reproduce and expel waste. They do not perform specialized functions. Okay, that in unicellular algae also come, unicellular fungi also comes. Unicellular organisms vary in size. Now we are coming to the multicellular organism. Here I have shown the slide to see the structure of euglena, paramecium, amoeba, how they look like. They are a single cell. They are the examples of the unicellular organism, single cell. Now it's a multicellular organisms are those organisms which are made up of two or more than two cells. These cells attach to each other to form a multicellular organisms. In multicellular organism, the cells form tissues which join together to form different organs, and organ work together to perform different activities and function for the life process in the body. So it has been said that the different organs like kidney, heart, lungs, eyes, some of the multicellular organs are so small that we cannot see them with our naked eyes. Example of such and that multicellular fungi and algae. Various multicellular organisms are tortoise, rabbit, hydra, cockroach, snakes. Now we are going to study about the different organ system which are having some related organs, like digestive system. Digestive system is an organ system. Organs related to them are mouth. Okay, organ related to them are their mouth part. Buccal cavity we call it. Esophagus, okay, this is a pipe, food pipe. Stomach, this is the stomach. Intestine, this is a intestine, large intestine, small intestine. Rectum is there downside, here you can see. Yeah, after rectum another digestive glands are present. So digest function of these organs to digest and absorb food so that nutrients can be transported from by the blood stream to all parts of the body. Now here we call it the excretory system, human excretory system. In human excretory system, the organs comes about the kidney. Okay, these two kidneys are there, ureters, Okay, these pipes are there, they are ureters. Okay, urinary bladder, this is the urinary bladder. Urethra, okay, urethra, the opening that is called the urethra. So, these all are the organs related to the excretory system. Thank you.